Welcome to our platform. This is the program checking AI assistant. Here, you can test if your Python code is running correctly. As you can see on the left, we have a navigation menu with several options. The first button is Learning Function Introduction, where you can find information about how to use the various features of this website. The second button is Staff List, which likely provides contact information for our team. The third button is Problem Feedback, allowing you to report any issues you encounter. Below these, you'll find buttons to return to homepage, project selection, login, and register. In the main section of the page, you'll find a text area where you can input your Python code. Currently, it contains the simple command print, hello, world. To execute your code, simply click the blue button labeled Execute Program. Once run, the output will be displayed in the Output Result section below. As you can see, the message Pyodide has been successfully initialized, indicates that the Python environment is ready. There's also a Clear Input button on the right, allowing you to easily erase the code in the text area. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find a note reminding you to save your work. This website provides a convenient way to quickly test your Python snippets and ensure they are functioning as expected. Feel free to explore the different features and make the most of our program checking AI assistant. Welcome. This platform offers a fantastic way to practice and track your learning progress. First, notice the toggle at the bottom left labeled Switch to Dark Mode. Clicking this allows you to change the website's appearance to a darker theme, which can be easier on the eyes, especially during extended study sessions. After you register, you'll be able to log in and access a range of practice exercises. The image you provided shows what the problem list page looks like once you're logged in. At the top right, you can see a greeting, Welcome 123, followed by a Logout button. This indicates that a user named 123 is currently logged in. Below the welcome message, there's a button to View Learning Progress. Clicking this will likely take you to a page similar to the first image you sent, showing your overall statistics. The main part of this page is the problem list. Here, you can see a list of available practice topics. In this example, we have Hello World Program, Python Data Types, Python Keywords. Next to each topic, there's a clock icon, hourglass not done, indicating that these problems are yet to be attempted, along with a button labeled Answer or Solve, which you would click to start practicing that specific topic. By registering and logging in, you gain access to this structured problem list, allowing you to systematically work through exercises and monitor your learning journey. We encourage you to sign up and start practicing today.
Finally, let's make a code summary. Alright, imagine you're peeking behind the scenes of this Python practice website. Focusing on the structure, so, here's the blueprint. The main hub is this folder called Python Practice App. Inside, the app folder is where all the clever stuff happens, the brains of the operation. You've got the handlers dealing with your clicks and requests, an re_helper.py that sounds like the AI buddy that might be helping you learn. Then there's auth.py for logins, models.py holding the data, and problems.json, that's probably where all the practice questions live. Routes.py is like the street map, telling the website where to go when you click a link. Shifting to the visuals, now, how does it look? The templates folder holds all the website pages. Think of base.html as the basic frame for all the pages. You've got pages for logging in, auth, the home page, home.html, the actual problems, problem.html, and your progress, progress.html. Highlighting key files, and to actually get this thing running, there's our un.py. The .env file. That's where the secret keys and settings are kept safe. Overall impression, basically, it's a well-organized setup for a website that helps you practice Python. It's got the logic, the looks, and the way to bring it all to life.